Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2019 Harris 250 Cruiser. This boat is powered by a Mercury Verado 225, stainless ski tow bar, stainless steel boarding ladder, also has the full stainless steel safety rails in the back of the boat. This single lounger layout is going to give you plenty of storage in the back. You're going to have a flip-flop seat. As we enter the boat, you'll see the U-shaped seating for all the guests. Here at the helm, you've got the upgraded helm chair, flip-up armrest. This does have the JL audio stereo system. It's going to have the total lighting package, and you're going to have the digital throttle and shift. Coming forward, you're going to have a flip up with a changing room, upgraded stereo with a sub, in-floor ski locker, and plenty of forward seating in the pontoon. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2019 Harris 250 Cruiser. Come out and see us at MarineMax Pensacola.